Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a GMC Terrain key fob. First, locate the seam and press the release to open the mechanical key, then use a small flathead to gently pry the fob halves apart. Keep track of the battery retaining clip and note battery orientation. Replace with a CR2032, ensuring the plus side faces up, then snap the shell back together and test the buttons. Begin by removing the mechanical key and setting it aside. Use a small flathead screwdriver to wedge open the seam, working slowly to avoid plastic damage. Observe the battery clip and remove the old CR2032, taking note of the plus side orientation. Place the new CR2032 into the compartment, press the retaining clip back into place, align the shell halves, snap them together firmly, and test the lock. If the key fob does not work after battery replacement, inspect the contact surfaces for dirt or corrosion and clean them carefully. Verify the new CR2032 has proper voltage and that the battery sits flat under the retaining clip. For intermittent performance, remove and reseat the battery, then test again. When problems persist, consult the owner manual for reprogramming steps or visit a dealer to rule out internal board issues or button pad wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.